The designs of many flying boats, electric yachts, and sailing freighters are luxurious, and they're leaving us in awe. What have you in mind when talking about futuristic boats and yachts? The luxury. And in this video, we'll look at the luxurious designs of futuristic boats and yachts. But before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. Sustainability is not something exclusive to land vehicles. It is also necessary to undertake the decarbonization of boats of all kinds, but especially the most numerous, electric boats and yachts. Few companies have specialized in electric boats. They can be counted on the fingers of one hand. The most prominent brands are Silent Yachts, X-Shore, and Candela, are companies that have taken sustainability seriously in terms of manufacturing zero-emission boats. Electric yachts. Silent Yachts has been dedicated exclusively to the design, manufacture, and sale of 100% electric yachts since 2014, which is why they are considered the Tesla of the world of navigation. They have specialized in the segment of luxury electric yachts powered by solar panels, many with transoceanic navigation capabilities, while both Candela and X-Shore focus on smaller vessels, electric launches, and small ferries with a capacity of tens of passengers. Silent Yachts catamarans are a unique combination of high efficiency and refined luxury, boat plus sun plus solar panels. Andy Torbett and Imogen Pierce from Fully Charged came to Mallorca this past summer for a whole day to see how a solar-powered yacht works. At the end, they commented that during the recording of the entire report, only 20% of the 215 kilowatt-hour battery available in the tested model. If you want to get to know these electric yachts more closely, this German company is based in Port Adriano, in Calvia, Palma de Mallorca, in the sunny Balearic Islands. Electric boats. Electric boat companies are exploring alternative ways to make boats more efficient to maximize their range. Apart from the challenges of isolating batteries, motors, and power electronics from water, overcome thanks to increasingly advanced manufacturing techniques and materials, the main challenge is the autonomy of an electric boat. There are several ways to achieve maximum efficiency in electric navigation, using the sun or the wind, improving the efficiency of motors and batteries, but the main challenge is always to overcome the resistance of water, much greater than that of air, and thus avoid the use of large batteries to achieve the autonomy of navigation miles necessary not only for leisure, but also for medium-distance journeys. In Stockholm, Sweden, that's exactly what Candela's team has been doing, borrowing old hydrofoil technology, combining it with sensors and super sophisticated designs have made their flagship electric boat, the C8, not just hyper-efficient, with zero emissions, but also fly. Candela has positioned itself as one of the world leaders in terms of luxury electric boats. Not in vain have they recently associated with the Nordic brand Polestar, belonging to the Chinese Geely group that manufactures the Polestar 2 and the new Smart No. 1 among others. In the next fully charged video, the Candela C8 flies over the sea, and its design is the perfect antidote for motion sickness, the typical navigation sickness when flying over the waves without touching them. The success of this electric boat model is based on the Candela C-Pod, the most efficient and durable marine engine ever made. It is composed of two ultra-compact high-power permanent magnet motors that work underwater in counter-rotation, providing great autonomy thanks to unmatched efficiency to date. It is capable of providing enough thrust to fly any of the Candela models over water up to a speed of 30 knots, 55.5 kilometers per hour. All in complete silence and vibration-free. Direct electric drive means no gear noise, no oil changes, and no maintenance. Anyone who owns or has owned a boat knows what that means. The Candela C-Pod promises to last a lifetime without the need for maintenance. A flying electric boat, thanks to the submerged hydrofoil, needs an active stabilization system. Its combination of software and electronics is designed for a precise and smooth sailing experience, even in rough seas and tight turns. The flight control system uses more than 10 sensors to estimate the ship's position, velocity, and acceleration in all axes and convey a sense of complete control of the system at all times. Electric boats. The electrification of ships is enormously important, but it is much more complicated than the simple electrification of land vehicles, such as cars, motorcycles, and trucks. Norway is the world leader in the electrification of mobility. It not only stands out in electric bicycles and cars, but the first electric ferries are also in service in various parts of the country, including those that serve Oslo from Aker Brygge and those that they lead through the Fjord of Dreams. Cargo ships carry 90% of world trade and are responsible for 2 to 3% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions. But economies of scale dictate that these ships get bigger and bigger to keep costs down. They are critical to keeping supply chains moving. It is necessary to decarbonize this industry, but doing so is a challenge never before faced. Electric freighters represent the greatest challenge in the electrification of navigation. We are talking about thousands of tons of displacement move thousands of kilometers in conditions that are sometimes not very good. Oceanbird is a project between the shipping giant Wallenius and the manufacturing company Alfa Laval, which promises to reduce by 90% the emissions derived from maritime transport, betting on wind energy as a propulsion force. By itself, the wind is not enough for such volumes of cargo. An additional propulsion force is necessary, and 10% of the engine is necessary to maneuver in and out of port, for safety reasons and in case of unfavorable weather conditions. It's not just about using the wind, it's a unique combination of super-optimized design, software, and real-time updated navigation routes to make it possible. Imogen Pierce from Fully Charged went to Stockholm, Sweden, to meet the team behind the wind-powered autonomous sailing concept to find out how difficult it is to make a wind-powered autonomous boat and how far we are from the maiden voyage of the Oceanbird. Oceanbird seeks to revolutionize sail technology and provide an alternative or complement to fossil fuel-powered cargo ships. The Oceanbird concept is based on rigid deployable wing-shaped sails, as well as a specially designed hull and ship steering software that provides 24/7 real-time satellite-controlled route and speed recommendations, a technology that is also applicable to existing boats. Retrofit. All this has been the result of extensive simulations and tests of scale models, both at sea and in water tanks, demonstrating that it is possible to significantly reduce emissions from ships through the use of wind energy. According to their website, the first boat with a full-scale wing sail prototype will sail in 2024. Our goal is to sail the first boat with a complete set of Oceanbird wing sails in 2026. The first Oceanbird ship will be a car carrier capable of carrying around 7,000 cars. The concept is based on a cargo ship 200 meters long and 40 meters wide, to be able to enter and leave the ports, and as a security measure, and to be able to comply with schedules. The vessel will also be equipped with an auxiliary engine, powered by the best alternative currently available. That it is a car carrier is not by chance. Most zero-emission cars and their components, batteries, motors, and power electronics are and will be manufactured in Asia. To keep the supply chain as close to zero carbon dioxide emissions, this low-emission maritime transport must be possible. We must lead by example, not that they always forget the emissions associated with the production, transport, and refining of crude oil, while in the production of cars and batteries each gram of carbon dioxide is accounted for. We have a country with more than 8,000 kilometers of coastline. The Mediterranean Sea has more than 300 sunny days a year, ideal for enjoying sailing, and there is nothing more ecological than going around it with zero emissions. Those who have a boat do not have the excuse of the economy for not doing it. Let us know what you think about electric yachts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about the luxurious designs of futuristic electric boats and yachts in the comment section below. Thank you.